that is a LeetCode hard question, and it is relatively much easier. So basically we are given multiple lists here, and we have to, and this is already merged individually. So, and we have to create a big linked list that will have all the guys. Okay. So what we will do here is, as first we have to create a function that will merge two lists, right? That we have already done earlier. So what we will do here is, we'll create a function merge, okay, that takes two lists, list 1 and list 2, and we need to create a dummy node and pointers and do keep adding and all. So basically what I will do is, I'll simply copy paste the version which I already have, which we have already done. So let's have it here. Okay, we see there's a dummy node, current pointer to dummy node, two pointers, checking which one is smaller, and we added move the current, and like that we get the merge list. Okay, so before that, let's also add one thing, that if list dot length is 0, then we have to return null. Okay, it is the base case here. Okay, and now what we have to do is, once this method is done, okay, let's close it. Okay, and this, you can see this returns this list also, this merge list. Then what we have to do is, we have to get a while lists dot length is greater than 0, greater than 1. Actually, I'll show how why. Because every time what we will do is, we'll take a list. Okay, so list 1 equal to now whatever is there, lists dot pop. Okay, then list 2 is again list dot pop, and resultant, that merge list among these two, will be merge list 1 comma list 2, and then let's push it back, list dot push rs. Okay, and in the end return lists of 0. Okay, let's run it. Okay, so I'll basically just try to explain what is happening here. Suppose I have multiple lists like 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6. Okay, this is our initial list. So what we are doing is, we are popping. So first time when we pop, this element gets popped and this element gets popped, right? We merge these two guys and then we push it back, so it become 1, 2, and then 3, 4, 5, 6. Again we will pop these two guys, merge it, and it will become 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, the hard part here is, every time we are merging, we are always taking the bigger one, right? Always taking a bigger one and a smaller one, and we took this greater than 1 because if it becomes 1, then there is no other list, right? That will be our answer. So there should be 2 or more, right? And then the remaining one guy will be the answer. So this is simple. But now when we pop, every time you can see we are taking a bigger guy, and then the guy next to it, that will be a smaller guy. So what we can do here is, we can do two things, because when we do this, we have to, again, this takes more time, right? Merging a big and a small. So what we'll try to do is, we always take smaller guys. Okay, we'll always take smaller guys. So in this case, always take these two, merge it. Okay, so what small change we can make here is shift. Okay, so run it again. Okay. So now what happened was, suppose we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We took this to merge it and we have put it here. So this will come now 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, smaller guys only. So this is also gone. Now it will become 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Now again merge this and we'll get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So in this way, we don't have to do the big merges every time. Every time we will taking the small merges, so it will take comparatively less time. What you can also do here is, okay, this shift might take a bit extra time. Reason being, we have to re-index the list. So instead of shift, what we can do here is we can take a for loop. Okay, we can take a for loop, and every time we take I and I plus one element. Okay, so the solution is basically every time we will take I and I plus element. So same logic. Let me just remove this. So what I am trying to say is, let's have a const merged list. Okay, this will be the list that will save the updated list. Okay, updated list after merging once. Let's say for let I equal to 0. Okay, I should be less than lists dot length. Okay, and I plus equal to 2. The reason is for plus equal to 2 is suppose we are taking 0 and 1 element, so these two are merged now, right? So next time we have to take 2, 3, so we cannot increase it by 1, we have to increase it by 2. So const our list 1 here will be lists I. Okay, and const L2 will be, we have to check, right? We are adding 1, we don't know whether it is in the range or not. So if this is less than lists dot length, if this is less than list dot length, then we have to return lists of I plus 1. Okay, question mark, or we can return a empty ring list or null like that. Okay, and then we can say, okay, this merged list dot push, and we have to do merge L1 L2. Okay, so this is how we have merged the list, and then simply update this list with merge list. Okay, now again it is doing the same thing. Okay, but now we are also not using the shift operation, so the time is minimal. So it will take 0 and 1 element. Okay, 0 and 1 element, merge it, put it into the merge list, and then update the list so that this length will be updated. Okay, again it will come, it will take the next guy. Okay, also if you see here, for 0 and 1 it will come, it will push, right? Next time again it will come, for 2, 3 it will push, for 3, 4 it will push. So the initially in first round only, when we iterate once, we have got all the like intermediate step where we have the merge list. Okay, I think we have not submitted it.